Skip the awkward "can you send me" texts with Revolut's super easy payment links. First, open your Revolut app. Make sure you're logged in, of course. You should be on the main dashboard screen. See that send button at the bottom center of your screen? Tap it. Now, look at the top. You'll see options like send, transfer, and request. Select request. Great. Now you should see a blue button that says create payment link. Tap that button. Okay, this is where you specify how much money you want to request, enter the amount, and choose your currency. Revolut handles multiple currencies, so this is very useful. Boom, your unique Revolut payment link is now generated. You'll also see options to manually share the link or share with a specific app. Simply choose how you want to share your link: messaging apps, email, social media, whatever works best for you. Anyone with the link can easily send you money. When someone clicks the link, they'll be taken to a secure Revolut page where they can enter their card details and send you the money. You'll receive the payment straight into your account. And that's it. Creating a Revolut payment link is that simple. No more excuses for splitting the bill unevenly. Subscribe for more quick and easy Revolut tips and tricks.